Hello friends, we come for our new episode of Meds and More Insight. In this episode, we will talk about cough and cold medicine. You know, cough and cold medicine contain one antihistamine and one decongestant. This is the minimum one. And if you have running nose, they will have another antihistamine called cetirizine. And cetirizine, CP malate, which is one more antihistamine, and decongestant like phenylephrine hydrochloride. This the three combination, and they also have some product also have paracetamol within it. The cost range is 4 rupees to 8 rupees per tablet. So when you take this, it's a OTC product, but when you take it, please check which one is good, because if you have running nose, you should take cetirizine, uh, including with other antihistamine. But if you have running nose more, you should take levocetirizine tablet, which is very good for uh, drowsiness is not there with this tablet. Cetirizine have the drowsiness. So we will come back in our new episode. So please follow us, subscribe us, and give a like. And we will come back in our new episode with new medicine information in Meds and More Insight. Thank you, friends.